Hello dear friends, I am Adnan Akhlaq and you are watching the channel Moving Feet. In today's video, I'll take you to two different destinations, the Traun Waterfall and the Mondsee viewpoint. So let's move to the first one, the Traun Waterfall. The Traunfall is a wild waterfall artificially converted into one with the concrete walls. It's not too high, its height is actually about only 12 meters and it's about 200 meters wide. In the 19th century, it was an important passage route for the salt carrying ships all the way from Hallstatt to the other lower parts of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. Not too high, but indeed very loud. A power work was built on the Traunfall in the beginning of 20th century that is still functioning and working. Let's go down the stairs and check it out. Wow! You will see a little chapel named Nikolaus Chapel, and it is the last remains of the buildings of that time when Traunfall was a salt ship route actually. And this beautiful statue is named as Flossa Madonna. This little notice board tells us about the brief history and the meaningfulness of the Traunfall. Beautiful bridge has been recently built, and the Traunfall is one of the hottest tourist attraction of the region. So friends, now let's go up the stairs and we will access the Traunfall from the other side of the road. The view from the other side of the road is just majestic. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful scene from an amazing height. There are many beautiful walking tracks across the Traunfall. Now dear friends, from the Traunfall, I'm gonna take you to the today's next destination, that is Mondsee viewpoint. So let's meet you there. We wanted to have an aerial view of the lake Mondsee from the Kulmspitze, which is a very high viewpoint, but unfortunately we couldn't manage it due to the lack of time. I'll make a complete video next time. So dear friends, you can take this video as a highlight or promo for that video. The word Mondsee translates literally into the moon lake, and rightly so, because if you see it, you observe it from above in the air, it has a crescent-like shape. You need really some good stamina to walk up to the watchtower because it's really very steep. If you see across the lake, you see the big mountain. This is the Schafberg, and I'll try to cover both the Mondsee and Schafberg in the same video, and it's really very interesting. You can see almost the whole region from the Schafberg. More will be coming about Mondsee, Kulmspitze viewpoint and Schafberg in one of the next coming videos in next months. Stay blessed. Don't forget to like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. I am very happy to be with you two guys. You are really very good friends.
It's true.
Jonas, danke schön. Thank you very much. Du bist ein guter Begleiter.